take another question, that is compute the parsing table. This is the given grammar that S tends to IET SS1 SS1 oblique A, S1 tends to ES oblique epsilon, and E tends to B. What does it means? It means S tends to IET SS1, and also S tends to A. What does it means? It means that S1 tends to ES and S1 tends to epsilon. So, how to find the parsing tree for the given grammar? These are the non-terminals. Then, first step is that to find the first and follow for parsing tree. To find first and follow for all grammar, for all terminals, non-terminals. Okay, then first of S is, what is the first of S? First of S is I and A. It can be written as I and A. Then first of S1. First of S1, what is the first of S1? E and epsilon. It can be written as E and epsilon. Then what is the first of E? First of E is the B. Okay. Then we have to find follow. Then follow of S. What is the follow of S? Follow of S is the first of S1. Right. Then we have to written as first of S1. First of S1, what is the first of S1? First of S1 is the E, and instead of epsilon we can put it here, that is S1. S tends to epsilon. What it means? That I, E, T, S and epsilon. Epsilon, it means that follow of S, it can be written as a dollar, E and dollar. That is the first of, follow of S1. S. Understood? Then follow of S1. What is the follow of S1? Follow of S1 is nothing here. Then it can be written as dollar. Then follow of E. Follow of E. Follow of E is here T. Okay. These are the follow of all non-terminals. Then using this we can construct a parsing table. Then here written as the non-terminals, all non-terminals. What are the non-terminals? The non-terminals are S, S1 and E. And here all the terminals can be written, that is I, T. Small letters are the small letters are the terminals, that it is belongs to the our string. Then A, then B, and last one is the dollar. Right. Then what is the how to construct this parsing table? Then S and I. S tends to I. In above grammar we can find that what S is tends to this string, means S tends to I. Here we already show that S tends to I. Then write it as S tends to I, E, T, S, S1. Right? This is the parsing tree. Okay. Then next terminal is S tends to T. There are the no T is here. Then S tends to A. S tends to A. It means that we can write this grammar. S tends to A. Then S tends to B. There are no transition, no transition is available, that it ends with B. And last one is dollar. Here the follow of S is the dollar. Then we can, it is written as S tends to dollar, because in the follow of S we have to find dollar symbol, so that we have to return here S tends to dollar. Then next is the S1. S1 में अभी S1 belongs to I. There is no grammar here, for which it is written in a I. There is no grammar available for T and A, and it is E. It also include E. Here we can write it the E. Then S1 tends to ES. Write it. Okay. Then S1 tends to epsilon. मतलब E and epsilon. So epsilon is not here. We can't take the epsilon as a terminals. Then instead of epsilon, we can written as S1 tends to dollar, because here is the epsilon present, so that we can write as S1 tends to dollar. Then last non-terminals are E tends to B, so we can written as the E tends to B. Okay, this is our how to compute the parsing tree, parsing table.